Hi, my name is Irma. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm joining in on a collab hosted by See Mindy Mom. It's a $5 dinner challenge. So for my budget version of the $5 dinner, I'm going to make white chicken chili. It's soup great for this time of year, and it's also inexpensive. So most of the ingredients I already had on hand. I just needed the chicken. I was hoping to get bone-in chicken thighs so that it could give the broth more flavor, but I wasn't able to find any. So today I'm just using boneless chicken. So since I already had everything on hand, I checked online at Aldi to see how much everything would turn out to. So these are the ingredients needed. This is about 2 pounds of chicken, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 can of cannellini beans, 2 cans of green chilies, a few cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of flour for thickening, and then your spices and salt and pepper. So first I start off with seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil to a pot. Heat that up. So I'm going to start off by browning the chicken a little bit. And once that's started, I'm going to go ahead and put in the onions. I ended up using about 3/4 of an onion. Also 1 whole green bell pepper. We're going to leave those cooking about 5 to 10 minutes until the onions start becoming translucent and the bell pepper softens a little bit. Okay, now the onions have gotten more translucent, the vegetables are cooking more, so we're going to add the spices. I added about 1.5 tablespoons of cumin, 1.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and 1.5 tablespoons of oregano. And I also added in about 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. You want to get the spices all mixed in very well. Once that is all mixed up, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of flour to help with the thickening. We want to cook that for a minute or two to get rid of the raw flour taste. And now I'm adding in about 1 cup of milk. Now it's time to add in the green chilies. I'm adding 2 cans. 1 can of cannellini beans, and I actually ended up adding another can of pinto beans because I didn't feel like that was enough. And now I'm just going to add in 5 cups of water. I'm going to bring that up to a boil, and then once it boils, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. So it's been 40 minutes and this soup is looking so good. It's done and ready to eat. It's so tasty the way it is, but if you had a bigger budget, you could even add corn or diced tomatoes and even cream cheese if you like it creamier. Here I added in a sprinkle of cheese and a couple of tortilla chips. Let me know if you're planning on giving this recipe a try. And please, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to help out this small channel. Thank you so much for watching.